Holy crap! Give him something difficult now.
Hey, Virginia, fucking dick face.
Such a fucking dickhead.
I don't know how to.
Do you like 14?
Well, I don't fool around with
Over here! In the 14th row.
I don't give a fuck.
You don't
Oh,
give
is
a
that on a wing? I don't want to be on a wing.
That's what I'm
Get
saying.
out of here.
There's
So
one-
What do you?
put us,
yeah,
put us.
it is over the wing.
Yeah. All
don't
right.
like the
So, is
Because it
that?
goes.
So that's fine. 17 is good.
All right.
That's why I was asking, because he makes me nuts. Holy shit. Just put it on my dresser and I'll put it away so you don't have a panic attack.
Where did he fucking go?
I'm gonna do something here and you keep interrupting me. Get away from me. Come on, jerk, I'm trying to do something.
You always fucking gotta be the fucking.
Because you're annoying.
Well, at least you know where to put me on the plane. I want to sit with the stewardess.